Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can disable direct messages over on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up X app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version available. And after that you will be redirected to the home page of your account where all of the posts of people you follow will be available. Now just tap over on your profile icon at the top left corner and select settings and privacy. Inside the settings menu, just tap on privacy and safety. And over there, just select direct messages. Now select the option you would prefer for your account. Just select no one if you wouldn't like to receive message requests from anyone. But if you want, you can just select verified accounts only. So the Twitter verified will be able to send messages on your account. And this is basically how you can disable direct messages over on Twitter. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.